I'm at the Rock Garden in Changing of the Scenes, and I'm here because it's Tuesday at 6. And why don't you guys introduce yourselves and tell me why I'm here at Tuesday at 6.
Hi, my name is Felicia Davis.
Hello, my name is Lenora Carter.
Okay, so what happens here Tuesdays at 6?
So on Tuesday evenings at 6 o'clock, members, myself, Miss Lenora, and other members of Changing of the Scene, and any other community members who want to join us, meet here at 6 o'clock at the Rock Garden, and we walk. There are 2 routes that we walk that have been implemented by Rochester Walks. There are shoes marking the ground. There is signage, route signage. The one route is 1 mile. There's a second route that's a half a mile. So we walk those routes on Tuesday evenings at 6 o'clock.
And anybody can come and join you?
Anybody can come and join us.
Especially
Just meet us here at 6 o'clock.
Especially a beautiful day like today.
That's right.
That's right. Now one of the walks goes by the Ham Memorial Site.
The Ham Memorial Site on Adams and Jefferson, and there is a project beginning at the Ham Memorial Site. We will have a group of folks meeting there on Monday afternoons from 3 to 5, doing some planting and beautifying the garden there in recognition of James and Betsy Ham.
Okay, so if people want to know more about that, they can come by on a Monday at Jefferson and Adams and be prepared to do a little work between 3 and 5. Or they can come here Tuesdays at 6, see some great walkers, get some exercise, and hear what's going on in Changing of the Scenes.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you, both of you.
You're welcome.